The peacock, known for its extravagant plumage and vibrant displays, is an iconic bird with fascinating traits. Native to South Asia, the Indian peafowl pavocristatus is the most recognized species. Male peacocks, called peafowls, boast iridescent blue and green feathers that create a dazzling tail fan during courtship rituals. Remarkably, these ostentatious displays are intended to attract peahens for mating. Contrary to popular belief, peacocks do not spread their tails to ward off predators. Rather, they're a means of seduction. Peafowls are omnivores and can eat a variety of foods, including insects and plant matter. Their distinctive calls and elaborate plumage make them an